Hey everybody, Carolina Trailer Sales coming to you guys today with a used living quarters. This is a 2000 Sooner with a slide, 7'6" wide, 7'6" tall. So for an older trailer, it definitely is got a couple cool things about it with a slide and the height. It does have manger storage, it does have drop down windows with bars. So it does have manger storage. So probably my biggest complaint on this trailer is the sheeting. So absolutely everything about this trailer works. It does have an onboard generator. So it definitely has, this is like a closet on the back of the trailer. Kind of nice. So onboard generator. Again, 2000 Sooner living quarters. Has a half rear ramp. Horse area is in great shape. All the padding is actually in great shape. Roof vents. Does have, of course, your mangers. Drop windows on the rear. Rubber inside the trailer is in excellent condition for its age. There is no issues. Floor is good in this trailer. We did have the mats pulled and pressure washed this trailer. So again, horse area is in excellent shape. So again, drops on the butt. Biggest concern, I guess, or issue, it's 100% cosmetic, would be the sheeting. Just want to be up front. Not exactly sure what happened to this trailer. I guess it just wasn't taken real good care of, and someone tried to acid wash it and burned it, is essentially what happened. So, well, it's hard to do with one hand. All right, so here's your tack area. There's actually a side tack. It's nice. It's got blanket bars, hooks, 3 saddle racks, and has a nice step. So this trailer has a side tack. Let me spin around the front of this trailer. It does have a propane generator. I did not say that. Propane generator. This trailer does have an all real wood interior. It is very pretty. It is in really good shape. Can't really complain about anything in the interior. Couch makes a bed. A lot of good space in this trailer. I'm trying to give an idea of the space. Microwave, sink, 2-burner stove, large fridge. Does have a ducted AC. Does have a furnace. Heat furnace. So I'm gonna spin around. Does have the table. It is here. So solid door to the bathroom. Has a big bathroom. Big bathroom and vanity and sink. It does have a lot of storage. Big shower. Again, this bathroom is a really good size, y'all. All right, so again, 2000 Sooner. I believe this is about a 14-foot short wall. This is called a SE28, so that would be a 28-foot box. 328, that would be 3-horse 28-foot box. So I'm just going to come a little bit further back so you can actually see the trailer again. Thanks a lot, guys. Carolina Trailer Sales, 2000 Sooner, 3-horse.